Hello and welcome to Kids Coloring Land. Today I am going to draw a beautiful drawing. Let's draw with me. I hope you will enjoy drawing and painting. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now comes to most exciting part, coloring. Let's start painting with beautiful colors. Red color. Let's paint with red color. Blue color. Let's paint with blue color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true.
For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture,
Yellow color.
moo, moo. Cows
Let's
in the
paint with
pasture,
yellow color.
moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
Red
Skip to
color.
my Lou, my darling.
Let's paint with red color.
Skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
If you like my work, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Lost